Hello guys, in this video I would like to talk about where can we start to get front-end job. Most of the people want to get a front-end job but they don't know where to start and what needs to learn. I hope this video make help to people who has curious to know and learn. Let's start our video. So basically you should learn first basics. Those are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, hypertext markup language, cascading style sheets, JavaScript. JavaScript, I'm telling you, DOM manipulation, dynamically update and change in a page content. Another one is very important thing to learn, asynchronous programming, callbacks, promises, async and await. Because why I'm telling in this asynchronous programming specifically, so if you in future, once you will finish this, and in future you are going to do most of the time in real-time projects or real-time data, you can get the data in the from the backend. That backend you can integrate in you are going to fetch the data in the front end side. So fetching purpose, you need to asynchronous programming. That purpose I'm telling you, and I'm pressing that those words specifically. Please learn that one hundreds of times. So no problem if you're learning in hundreds of times, and keep in mind that. And next one, understand responsive design, and that means in any devices and screen sizes. Keep in mind to implement anything like in any project, or just you can go on once you'll finish in basics, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These three of them once you'll finish and do one or two projects. Once you've done one or two projects, that one, what I'm suggesting, just to have using the media queries. There is a JavaScript media queries or CSS media queries are there. Just to take it that media queries and use it that in screen sizes and make your three projects or one or two projects and make it your application all the time. Put the screen sizes. That's the first thing. Second one, I would like to suggest responsive design frameworks like in CSS frameworks and front-end frameworks. And front-end frameworks, what I'm suggesting, React is so popular, developed by Facebook. Angular is developed by Google. Vue.js is the progressive framework and is easy to integrate in existing projects. And these are all the very famous frameworks. So you can go for it, which one you want to choose. And not only these three, and other frameworks also is there, other libraries also is there. Just learn which one you want to, based on your knowledge and your experience, or you can learn which one you want to choose. There is no matter, but at the moment in the market, in whole world is using React is the top level, and next is the Angular, next is Vue.js. And another is the CSS frameworks. I would like to suggest you guys either go for the Tailwind CSS or Bootstrap style components. There are so many frameworks are there, and which one you want to choose, you can choose wisely. And next I want to suggest to learn about the pack and Gulf and package managers. Why I'm telling about this one, npm and yarn, these two day-to-day work every day you're using in your projects. So what I'm trying to tell, suppose for example, if you want to install any third-party library or any package in your project, npm is must and should, or yarn are must and should. So you should learn about this one, how to install, how to delete, how to update, how to rebase, how to pull, merge the changes. All these commands you need in npm. Without that, and you can't do it in anything. So should understand about the npm package manager. And next is the debugging. So once you implement the code, you need to understand about the developer tools, how to debugging in browser, like either Chrome or Mozilla or Firefox or any browser. Just you can just how to optimizing code, how to debugging the code, understand and fix the bugs. If you have any bugs or something, you can go to understand about the browser developer tools. Those tools will go to help you debugging and optimizing the code. Next is the version control. Version control is must and should, guys, because version control is a day-to-day work. If you want to raise the PR, pull request, if you want to merge the code, if you want to do and publish your changes in either master or dev or Git environment, UAT environment, Git is must and should. So you should learn about the Git. Next one is API, and understand about the API. What is the API? API is the application programming interfaces. That means in fetching and sending the data. Earlier I mentioned about this one, right? API. about the asynchronous programming JavaScript. So this is the one what I'm talking about. So this one is must and should, guys, and just understand how to integrate the backend URL. We have a lot of plenty of fake JSON placeholders are there. Just go and check it in online, get the one or two endpoints, and try to make it in JavaScript and get the data out and see how it's working in JSON format. That is must and should. And next is the testing is the just is by popular for the JavaScript, and just understand about the just is by default is coming. Next is the more popular if you go for the React framework, and that is the React testing library is there. If you go for the Angular or Vue, they have plenty of, but in Cypress and Playwright is the Playwright for the end-to-end testing, but Cypress is for integration testing and end-to-end testing as well as the unit testing. Which one you want to choose, you can choose wisely about the Cypress. And next is the soft skills, guys. Soft skills is must and should, like problem solving, communication, and collaboration. So problem solving, if you're taking on one thing, if you are familiar with the data structures and algorithms, most of the interviewers is going to ask about these data structures and algorithms, big one ocean. And that video I will go to cover in another video, guys. So just I'm trying to tell you, so you need to improve your soft skills and all the time. And next is the all the time build your portfolio, showcasing your projects. It's excellent way to demonstrate your skills and potential employers. That is must and should. Stay up to date, guys. So stay up to date is why I'm telling. Rapidly evolve, Frontend is rapidly evolving in field. Stay up to date in latest trends, tools, and technologies. That's must and should. Next is I'm going to tell you guys in join communities. So join communities, why it is important. So LinkedIn, Facebook, Stack Overflow, GitHub, forums to connect with each other, other developer, and seek help and learn from others. Create real projects, apply your knowledge by building real world projects. This is the one of the best way to learn and showcase your skills. And networking, like meetups, conferences, webinars, network. You can improve your network and join in a lot of networks is available LinkedIn or any other places. So my conclusion over here, remember, consistent practice, hands-on experience are key becoming a proficient front-end development. Start small projects and gradually increase complexity. So what I mean here, small projects means using first, if you are a starter, just learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript basics, and for that, and you can implement in one or two projects and create your own portfolio. And slowly, gradually increase complexity means go for the CSS frameworks, go for the JavaScript frameworks. There is a React and Angular and Vue, and which one you want to choose and make it in your portfolio, create in another projects. And don't be afraid, experiment and make mistakes. That's okay, guys. And if you do mistakes, everybody is doing the mistakes. Don't worry about that one. Learn how much you want and showcase yourself. Additionally, consider taking online courses and practicing coding boot camps, or pursuing a degree in computer science or related field, and prefer more structured learning path. So I don't want to suggest for pursuing degree or computer related field, but if you finish your undergraduate and either graduate, and what we have to do, just you can learn in more in either, you can choose either Udemy if you're interested in coding side, either Udemy or YouTube. These two is more than enough, guys. YouTube is giving plenty of courses. Just go and learn all the YouTube courses if you want to learn. And Udemy is one of the another best IT courses, and just learn in all the IT courses is available, which one you want to choose. But my suggestion, guys, don't confuse yourself, don't learn all the frameworks or something. So you can choose either any one of them, either Angular or Vue or React, because you are going to confuse yourself if you are doing in all the frameworks. Choose any one of them, React library or Angular framework or Vue, any one of them you can choose, and you can go for it, one of them. And basically, as I told earlier, so learn the basics, HTML, JavaScript, CSS. That's must and should. You should learn about that one. Thank you, guys. That's all for this video. I hope you learned something else from this video. and catch up in another video. Yeah, thank you guys.